On a daily basis, we are forced to breathe all kinds of pollution no matter where we go, whether it's a result of seasonal changes or resulting from industrial substances. The fresh air of nature is the best remedy for eliminating the toxins we breathe every day and that accumulate in our lungs. For those who are trying to quit smoking or who have already quit, the natural recipe that we'll give you today is the most recommended. Maybe today is the day that you'll decide to put down the cigarette. And who knows, this could be the recipe that will help you succeed. It will help you get rid of all the toxic substances that have built up in your respiratory system. This entirely homemade and natural remedy with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients will be your main ally in eliminating mucus and toxins. This recipe uses ingredients that have properties that are very beneficial for your lungs, namely ginger, turmeric, onion, and honey. Ginger works as an antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory ingredient, working to eliminate mucus, suppressing a cough, and relieving a sore throat. Turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties, which help a great deal by avoiding inflammation, reducing the inflammatory oxidative stress on the lungs, and purifying the blood. This ingredient is very important in the protection against respiratory diseases. Onion is a fantastic mucolytic, bronchodilator, and anti-inflammatory. It's also very important in the fight against respiratory diseases and has several tumor-fighting properties. Lastly, we have honey. In addition to sweetening the drink, honey will act as an antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. It's also a great cough suppressant. Have you noticed how many benefits these ingredients have for your lungs? Still not convinced? First, try this tea and then draw your own conclusions. Ingredients: onions, 400 grams, turmeric, 2 teaspoons, ginger, 3 centimeters of fresh root, 1 liter of water, and 2/3 tablespoons of honey. Preparation: boil the water. Add the chopped onions, grated ginger root, and 2 teaspoons turmeric. Cook over low heat, stirring occasionally. When the water is half its initial amount, turn off the stove. Strain the tea and store it in a glass jar. Allow it to cool completely to room temperature. Finally, add the honey at the end so that it doesn't lose its nutritional qualities and medicinal properties. Store this mixture in a cool, dry place. If it's too hot during the summer, store the tea in the refrigerator. Take 2 tablespoons of this drink twice a day to take care of your lungs. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning and a few hours after dinner or in the middle of the afternoon. The taste is not very pleasant and the smell is quite intense because of the ingredients, but its benefits far exceed these minor issues. This natural remedy is to help you heal and not to drink because it tastes good. It's well worth the sacrifice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.